Yo, what's going on, guys? GT Robbie back on their vlog. So I got some crazy shit going down at the shop. So we just got back from an awesome trip. We went to Cali and had a good time. So had a great time with the family and everything went very well. But I got a crazy vlog going for you guys today. So obviously, you can tell we're just chilling. The GTR is just kicking it up in the air right now. The BRZ is just on the ground, looking fresh still, of course. Very happy with this bend pack lift. I know I told you guys before, but man, this thing is a game changer for sure. I got a crazy thing going on this time. So a lot of you guys don't know, but I had a 2014 Civic Si, and man, that car was amazing. It was a great car. I built it from the ground up. This is what it looked like. So it was a 2014 Civic Si. It was one of the first cars I've ever had, and literally one of the best cars that I had. So literally, this vlog is kind of hurtful because that same car, I sold it to Espanola. This car was crazy, man. Like, I literally built this car from the ground up. It was, I threw a wide body on it. I threw bags. I threw everything that you could have think of. I had the sickest setup ever, and I always regret selling this car, to be honest. And it was kind of a sad thing to watch it go. But I don't know why I sold it, to be honest. It was a amazing car. I put over $30,000 in that car, and just to think about it now, every day I kind of couldn't stop thinking about it. I'm not even gonna lie to you, I literally thought about it all the time, and it wasn't even it's just a car, but to me, it was like one of my teenage cars, a car that I built from the ground up, and literally threw a wide body, wheels. It had literally 18 by 12s, 18 by 11s in the back. It was just a badass car. I had a good time in it. And my brother and I, we always had a good time in that car too, so it was very fun. But anyways, crazy thing, I sold it back in 2020. I sold it, and right now it's 2023. About 3 years I didn't have it. And as you guys see in the pictures that I just showed you, just a crazy car. And crazy thing about it is, when I was working at Sonic, and that's kind of when I started, just building a car what I loved. And I love Hondas, to be honest. I think they're one of the greatest cars ever made. I know I got the GTR now, which is obviously a dream car of mine, and the BRZ is a beautiful car, of course, too. This is actually me and my wife's car, so we love this car. But the crazy thing is, I just love Hondas. I don't know why, but I always wanted another Honda. But yeah, what I'm about to show you, it's gonna blow your mind, because it's just something that shouldn't have happened. But I actually, let me tell you something. Let me just show you. Check it out. Oh my god. This is literally the Civic that I had. The one I showed you in the pictures. This is literally it. Isn't that crazy? Look at the busted headlight, the hood, all smashed. Man, this is just heartbreaking, honestly. Look at that fender, missing the wide body. This is all crumpled. I don't know what the hell this guy was doing. But yeah, this is literally the same car I showed in the pictures. This is the car that I grew up and literally babied for so long. Wow, look at that trunk. That shit's destroyed. How does that happen? Obviously sun damage for sure, but man, don't even have no bumpers. Missing the wheels that I had on it. No fenders, no wide body, nothing. This is all broken. This is what happens when you sell a car to a crackhead in Espanola. This is what they do in Espanola. So I'm not gonna lie, that's a pretty, I don't know what the hell they did in this. They must have been smoking crack or something. But look at this. Oh my god, I can't even tell you guys how disappointed I am. Honestly, this is disgusting. They had I don't know what they did in this car. Who does this? This was such a nice car. This was a car that I took care of personally. Everything I did to this car, I took care of this car, and it's gonna need a lot of work. But I literally found it from a tow yard. Look at this. Ugh. Gross. I mean, obviously, it's nice. But come on, like, who does this? People in Española, I guess. Oh my god. Look at that ground though. That's gonna need a major cleanup. But yeah, a car like this, I mean, obviously you guys probably think, oh man, what the hell is this guy buying? But to be honest, this car means a lot to me. Very sentimental to me. Ever since I sold it, I literally regretted selling it. And now that I found it from a tow yard. I guess the guy maybe got it impounded or something. Because, I don't know, he just, like, oh my god. Still has the airbag system in it, thank god. Still has the airbags, but what is this? I literally did not do this. This is literally like somebody who I sold it to. And look at that cringy ass. Look at those cringy stickers. Oh my god. I would never put stickers like this in my car. This is just cringy. Look at that. Neck breaker. Oh yeah, that's a neck breaker for sure. Lower than your nan's nipples. Broken. I don't know what the hell this guy did. I like Paul Walker, but man, this just put shame to Paul Walker. Ah, and built, not bought. Yeah, this guy really built this car for sure. I could tell. But yeah, literally, like, this car literally is, it's so bad. I can't even tell you. You should have seen when they towed it here. Literally scraping to the ground. Oh, still has the engine, luckily. I need to charge the battery. I don't have a key for it, so I gotta wait for a key. But luckily, it still has the engine. That's pretty good. This poor car, man. I can't believe I put this car through this, man. It's so sad. But I got it back. I'm gonna try to build it up, to be honest. I know it looks kind of crazy and mangled, but this is literally like my teenage car. And I bought it back because, you know, I saw it and it just literally hurts me to see it like this. I can't even, like, once I saw it on Facebook, I saw it on a page, an impound yard had it, and they yeah, like I said, I guess the guy maybe got in trouble or something, got it impounded. He never took it out of the impound yard, so the tow yard was selling it. I got it for a really cheap deal, like a deal, like, honestly, like, really cheap, like, not cheap, but, you know, a good price for what it is, like, right now, with the engine and all this. It still has the airbags that I put on it. As you can see, it's still cambered. But man, it's pretty sad. But yeah, for me to clean this car, I'm about to start cleaning it right now. So I'm gonna do a little cleaning on it real quick. But man, people, like, I just buy your stuff like that. Careful who you sell it to, man, because I mean, obviously it wasn't my car at the time. At the time, I did sell it because I wanted to, and I thought it was the right move, but it was not. I low-key wish I would have kept the car, and that was my regret. So, you know, if you're gonna sell a car, make sure you really want to, because if you're gonna regret it later, then just don't even sell it. To be honest, this is a car that I really loved, but it's all good. We'll fix it up. It's gonna cost a lot of money, but we'll fix it up. And we got a lot of things, a lot of plans going for this car. I already ordered some parts for it, so definitely need some new headlights. Definitely gonna need some new fenders. Gonna need a hood. I'm gonna order the wide body kit eventually. It's pretty expensive, but I'm gonna throw the wide body kit back on this car. I mean, obviously it's already cut. The whole side panels are cut. It needs the wide body back on it. I can't see myself trying to fix that, but definitely a new trunk. Definitely a whole cleanup of the car, because I'm gonna clean this crap up. So, but yeah, man, don't do crack, guys, or meth. You know, I think this guy did everything above. Probably heroin too. I can't believe this, to be honest. This is just, it's kind of mind-blowing, to be honest. Poor car. But luckily the body's still in good shape. Like, honestly, like, this doors are still okay. I think somebody tried breaking in it though, so there's like a little bit of, just kind of sticks out a little bit, but it's okay. The hood, I mean, the whole top is fine. That's like some goo or something they had on there. I don't know what they put on there, but windshield's still good. Body panels still seem to be okay. I'm gonna have to touch up some dents and probably get it repainted a little bit. These taillights are gone for sure. Or maybe they can be cleaned, but I don't think I'm gonna use these, to be honest. I'll probably just buy new ones. But yeah, everything in the interior is still intact. We'll see once we start vacuuming it. See what we really gotta do. But yeah, let me go ahead and clean this real quick. Alright guys, so we got the Civic all vacuumed and cleaned out. I'm not really gonna show you guys how it looks right now. It's more of something you're gonna see in the next video. So I'm gonna kind of keep it a little secret from you guys for right now. But as far as getting all that trash and all the SpongeBob weird shit out of there, I mean all the shenanigans that was going on, all the trash is gone. I'm very pleased and very happy that that's taken care of, because that was driving me crazy. But anyways, yep, we're gonna keep cleaning the Civic up, and we're gonna get it back to how it was. All right guys, so after a few hours, I was trying to get a key program with a key dealer. He ended up getting it programmed. We got the car moved. We had to do some, you know, fidgeting with the airlines because they were a little ghettofied. But the Civic's in the garage. We're happy. We got a couple keys for it, so that's a good part about it. It's not sitting out there again, you know, getting all kinds of scratches and whatnot. But yeah, pretty happy so far. And I want you guys to stay tuned for the Civic build. It's gonna be epic. As far as you know, building it up, we're gonna go all out on this car again. So I'm very happy to share this with you guys, because now you guys get to see how the process was before when I had the car. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate every single one of you guys on the channel. Make sure you guys stay tuned on the Civic Si build. And yeah, thank you guys again. Peace.